Hello, my name is Callum Waters, and this is my final year project called MindBridge. It's a web based mental health chatbot designed to help young people talk about their feelings. The idea is that a user can type how they feel, and the system will understand their message, how serious it is, and respond in a supportive way by recommending real life support like NHS, Good Samaritans, especially if the message is more serious. Instead of taking on the responsibility themselves, they're actually using variable tools that are already recommended by the UK government. To run the system, the user clones the GitHub zip file, installs the required Python packages, and creates a env file with the OpenAI API key, or they can request it from me. Then the backend is started using Unicorn, and the front end can be opened in the browser. This is the website interface, and it's designed to be simple, calm, and easy to use. And this is the MindBridge homepage, a platform designed to support young people, easy to use, and its main job is to support people with mental health. It offers safe, anonymous AI chat where users can talk openly and receive early support without feeling judged. Because that's one of the main reasons young people don't speak out is because they feel like they're being judged. The page clearly explains what the system does, including assessing levels of concern and offering help, responses, and referrals. Some might be extreme as taking your life, where some might just be you're just having a bad day. So trying to deter from the two is quite important. It also makes it clear that it's not a crisis service or replacement for professional help, which was important for the ethics. Further down, it highlights key features and provides links to trusted organizations like NHS, Samaritans, Young Minds. Users can start a conversation straight away or explore other support options from the homepage. Before the user can start chatting, they see this constant message. This explains that the chatbot is not a therapist. I repeat, the chatbot is not a therapist. It doesn't give medical advice, and it shouldn't be used in emergencies. This is very important for safety and transparency, so users understand what the system can and cannot do. The users interact through this chat box, just like normal messaging app. So what everyone's usually already knows. Um, there are also quick prompt buttons to help users start a conversation if they don't know what to type. I'll start with a low risk example. For example, if I type, I've been a bit stressed with uni lately. Yep, I'll type that now. See, the chatbot will respond. It responds in a supportive but calm way. It doesn't overreact because this is normal level of stress. So the system understands that this is low risk. Okay, I'll just delete that. Now I'll move to a more serious message. Okay, I feel overwhelmed and anxious and I can't cope. Send. Now the response becomes more empathetic and supportive. Do you see the difference? The system recognizes that the user is struggling more, so it gives stronger guidance and supportive suggestions. Now I'll try a high risk example. All right, this is a big one. I am suicidal. Even though the word is misspelled, the system still understands the meaning. The response becomes urgent and focuses on safety, and it gives crisis support options like Samaritans NHS, who are trained professionals and are licensed in this profession. This is how the system prioritizes user safety in serious situations. Now I'll show what's happening behind the scenes. All right, okay, let me just go there. When the user sends a message, the backend processes it. It uses two different systems. First is a rule-based classifier. It's very important. This looks specific keywords or phrases. Then there is an AI-based model using OpenAI, which looks at the meaning of the sentences. The two results are combined to make a final one decision. For example, here, the role-based system thinks the message is low risk because of the spelling mistake. That's a mistake. But this is why the AI model comes in, corrects it, and then understands it is high risk. Very techy. The final system combines both and outputs high risk. This is called a hybrid model. The backend is built using fast API in the file. The system receives the message from the user throughout the chat route. If then runs the role-based classifier and the AI classifier, the combined results. The role-based logic is defined in another file. The different keywords are grouped into low, medium, and high. The front end uses JavaScript to send a message to the front end and displays a response on the screen. I also tested the system using evaluation scripts. The role-based model worked well, but it missed some high-risk cases. The hybrid model improved this by correctly detecting those cases, especially when language was unclear or misspelled. Overall, this project shows how a chatbot can provide early mental health support in a safe and accessible way. Another thing, the main strength, I want to talk about this, is the hybrid approach, which combines simple rules with AI understanding. In the future, this could be improved with more data, better personalization, and a larger scale testing. Thank you very much. I've been Callum Waters, and I hope you enjoy my website.